Hi, hello students. Today's class I'm going to meet you through the video. Okay, in the last class we have seen the lesson 3 questions. It's a prose from first unit. Okay, so with that first unit over, let's step into the second unit. The Rebel is a poem. It is from second unit. Okay, the Rebel. So what is the meaning of rebel? A rebel means it's a revolutionary. That means a person who always opposite or sometimes criticize or sometimes asking question to the people uh, and to some other people, and he always stand what is right. Okay, see, do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or like to do the opposites of what everything thinks they should do? Okay, so few people always neglects or always disobey others thoughts. Okay, see, think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of things such a person generally does. Now read the poem. See, few people have this habit to always saying the opposite of others ideas and always do something different. Okay, these people are called the rebel. Okay, see, this lesson is also about the rebel. Okay, so what are the things he did, and what are their habitats? Okay, what are their activities? Let's see through the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Okay, so now their activity is described in this first two lines. Okay, see, when everybody has a short hair, when everybody cuts their hair, but the rebel people never cut their hair. They grow up their hair into long. Okay, because they are opposite to other style. See, when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts its hair short. Okay, so if a few people has long hair, they go for the short hair. See, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. Okay, so in a communication time during in a class, when people are talking, no, when people are saying, expressing their ideas, but the rebel people never open a word, they never share anything, because they show it is their opposite attitude. Okay, when someone talks, they keep quiet. Okay, see, when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Okay, see, during the lesson nobody can able to talk. See, when teacher talks, nobody can talk. Okay, they have to maintain silence, because it's a simple manner in a classroom, right? See, when teacher is talking, everybody keep quiet, but the rebel just makes the disturbance through the class. See, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Okay, see, when everybody comes in a uniform dresses, but the rebel wears a fantastic dress. He never obeys the rule. Okay, so they thought this was their freedom. This was their ideas. This is the way they are different. They shows their different attitudes. See, when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means quietly. So quietly, normal dresses. Okay, so for the occasion time, according to the situation, according to the time and the place, we have to wear and chooses our dresses. So but the rebel never do that. Okay, they simply behave differently when somebody is doing something different. See, in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Okay, see, when every people likes the dogs, okay, they when people like to have the pet animals of dog, but The rebel people expresses the preference. Preference means giving suggestion, okay, giving suggestion, or noticing something. See, they are appreciating about the cats. See, in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a word for the dogs. So when people are saying about a different concept, they also talk different, okay. See the next page. When nobody is praising the sun, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain, okay. So even with the nature, they do the different attitude. See, when everybody is praising the sun, so they never praise the sun, okay. They never give a good words to the other things, okay. So they are telling about, or they are thinking about the different one. See, when everybody is greeting the rain, okay, greeting means wishing. So when everybody is enjoying the rain, the rebel forgets the absence of sun, okay. See, so they never enjoy the moment. This is what they try to say. So the rain and the breezeful sun is no, so everybody we likes, but they never likes these things. Instead of this, they think about the another one, okay. So these things we also do in our life. So children, whatever we have to like that, we have to go with that, okay. So we should not worry about the absence things. See, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. So they never do their responsible also, okay, responsibility. They never do the responsibility things, okay. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Simply they feel cool, okay. See, when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting, okay. So they always do the unwanted things. See, when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thanks, okay. So when everybody say the positive words, they say the negative words. See, this is what they say. When everybody say no thank you, the rebel says yes please, okay. So the controversy of the words, okay, the irony of the words, they are explaining through the lines. See, it is very good that we have rebels. You have not find it very good to be one, okay. See children, so in the whole poem tells these things only. See, very important line is, it is a very good that we have rebels, okay. So not only a group of people is called the rebels, but we actually we each and everyone is considered as the rebel, okay. So sometimes we also disobey others ideas, and we also do something different comparing with others. See, so we also the rebels. You may not find it very good to be one, okay. So we should not think we have to do the same with the other people. Sometimes we also go in a different track, so we also the rebels. So through the poem, through the couplet of the lines, couplet means two lines, couplet of the lines, the poet DJ Enright tries to say about the rebels, okay. So we should not follow the rebels. Actually we are the rebels, so we should not do anything like the rebels. We have to do everything, follow everything as the right one, okay. Understood children? I sent you the class work through WhatsApp. Write neatly, continuously write in a class work and WhatsApp me, okay children. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.